Hi guys. Today, I also brought a little tutorial. Okay. You can see two images. All I want to do is place the image of this baby on the photo frame of the second image. For that I will use the vanishing point option in Photoshop software. Okay. Let's go the process. I will copy this photo first. For that we use Ctrl+A. Shortcut. Select the image and then use the Ctrl+C shortcut to copy the image. Then come to this image and click on Filter. Click on the Vanishing Point option. A menu like this will open for you. You can use the Zoom tool to zoom in on the image. Then click on the Create Plane tool and select the limit to which the copied image should be applied. I click on point 4 like this. You can change points even after selecting them. Then I click on the Zoom tool to zoom out and hold down the Alt key. Then press the Ctrl+V key and paste the copied image here. The Transform tool is used to move this image. Then we drag it into the frame we created. I zoom in a bit on this. Then adjust the image to fit the frame. Once set up, click OK. Look, the image is very well integrated into the photo frame. Okay. It's time for me to leave and have a nice day.